Ever wondered if traditional classrooms are becoming obsolete in this digital age? It's a question that's been circling around for quite some time now. This is an era where you can order pizza, book a holiday, and even find your soulmate with a few taps on a screen. So why should education be any different? Let's take a moment to consider the traditional education model. Picture the scene: a classroom filled with students, a teacher at the front, scribbling equations on a chalkboard. It's a setting that's been around for centuries, and it does have its merits. In a traditional classroom, you have face-to-face interaction, instant feedback, and a structured learning environment. There's a certain discipline to it, a routine. But then, there are also the drawbacks: fixed schedules, commuting, and let's not forget the cost. Tuition fees are on the rise every year, and that's not even considering the cost of textbooks, housing, and those caffeine-fueled late-night study sessions. Now enter online education. It burst onto the scene like a knight in shining armor, especially during the pandemic. It offered a lifeline to students worldwide, enabling them to continue their education without risking their health. The digital classroom has been gaining momentum, and it's not hard to see why. Online education is flexible, accessible, and often more affordable. You can learn at your own pace, at a time that suits you, from the comfort of your own home. No more rushing to catch the early morning bus or struggling to stay awake in a stuffy lecture hall. You can even study in your pajamas if you want to. Not that we're recommending it, but it's not just about comfort and convenience. Online education opens up a world of opportunities. You can study courses from institutions across the globe, broadening your horizons and enhancing your resume without the hefty price tag of studying abroad. Just imagine getting a degree from the comfort of your own home, on your own time. Sounds too good to be true, right? But my friends, it is the reality of today's learning landscape, and we're just getting started. So, you're considering online education but don't know where to start? How about Alison.com? Now let's dive right in. Alison.com is a free online platform offering a wide range of courses, and when I say wide, I mean it. It feels like walking into a library where every book is a doorway to a new world. From IT and business management to photography and nutrition, there's something for everyone. Starting your learning journey on Alison.com is as easy as pie. Sign up for free, browse through the available courses, and once you've found your perfect match, click Start Now. It's that simple. No hidden fees, no lengthy application process. Each course is broken down into manageable chunks known as modules. These modules are further divided into topics, making it easy for you to learn at your own pace. And don't worry about getting lost in the sea of information. The platform keeps track of your progress, so you can pick up right where you left off. But what's learning without a little bit of challenge, right? Each course comes with an assessment at the end. Don't stress though, it's not about getting a perfect score, it's about understanding the material and applying what you've learned. What's more, upon completing a course, you'll receive a certificate of completion. While this may not be equivalent to a full-blown degree, it's a testament to your dedication and hard work. And who knows, it might just impress your future employer or give you the confidence to start a new project. Engagement is also a key part of the learning experience on Alison.com. You can participate in forums, interact with other learners, and share your insights. It's a community of knowledge seekers, just like you, ready to learn and grow together. With a plethora of courses at your fingertips, Alison.com is a treasure trove of knowledge waiting to be explored. So what are you waiting for? Dive in and let the learning begin. Now you might be asking, is online education really worth it? Well, we live in an era where the internet has become our lifeline. It's transformed the way we communicate, shop, and yes, even the way we learn. The rise of online education in the past few years is a testament to this shift. But is it truly worth it? Let's start with the job market. Hiring managers today are more open to candidates with online degrees than ever before. A survey by CareerBuilder.com revealed that more than 3/4 of employers are willing to hire a candidate with an online degree over someone with a traditional degree, assuming all other qualifications are the same. That's a significant shift from the skepticism that once surrounded online education. But it's not just about the acceptance. It's about the value. Online education offers flexibility, allowing you to learn at your own pace and on your own schedule. It's ideal for those who are juggling work, family, and other commitments alongside their educational pursuits. Now, let's hear from some successful individuals who have reaped the benefits of online education. There's Jane, a single mother who managed to earn her MBA online while working full-time. Her online degree not only earned her a promotion, but also a significant salary hike. Then we have Raj, a software engineer who wanted to switch careers. An online course in digital marketing opened up a whole new world of opportunities for him. Today, he's the head of marketing at a successful startup. And it doesn't stop there. There are countless stories of individuals who have used online education as a stepping stone to better their lives and careers. So is online education worth it? The answer is a resounding yes. It's a powerful tool that can open doors, break down barriers, and help you realize your potential. As you can see, online education is not just a viable alternative, it's a powerful tool for personal and professional growth. So are you ready to step into the future of education? The world is changing, and so is the way we learn. Online education is not just an alternative anymore, it's a viable pathway to expand your knowledge and skills at your own pace. For those who prefer self-directed learning, online education can be a game changer. It offers you the flexibility to learn when you want, where you want. No more rushing to 8 a.m. classes or fighting for a parking spot at the campus. You can learn from the comfort of your home, at a cafe, or even while holidaying at a beach. Moreover, online education often comes with a lower cost, which means you can avoid the burden of heavy student loans. You can find a variety of free or low-cost courses on platforms like Allison.com, or even pursue a degree from tuition-free universities such as University of the People. Dare to step out of the traditional classroom. Embrace the digital revolution. Your future awaits in the world of online education.